List. In Python, a list is a type of container that is used to store a list of values of any type. One can store an integer, string, as well as objects in a single list. Each element in a list is assigned an index number. The first index is 0, the second index is 1, the third is 2, and so on. Creating a list. Lists can be created by inserting the elements in square brackets. The elements in the list are separated by a comma. Program 11. To create a list. You will get the following output. Let us study about some of the ways through which we can create different types of lists. Empty list. An empty list in Python is created using square brackets. There are two ways to create an empty list. Program 12. To create an empty list. You will get the following output. Mixed data type list. Mixed data type list can be created to place different data types such as integers, strings, double, etc. Program 13. To create a mixed data type list. You will get the following output. Nested list. A list can have a list in itself as an element. Program 14. To create a nested list. You will get the following output. Accessing a list. We use an index number to access the list items just like strings. Use the index operator to access the elements of a list. Program 15. To access the different elements of a list. You will get the following output. List functions. Let us study some of the functions we can use with lists. The append function. The append function inserts the object passed to it at the end of the list. Syntax of using append function is Program 16. To add an element to a list using append function. You will get the following output. The extend function. Using the append function, we can only add one element at a time. For adding more than one element, we use the extend function. Syntax for using extend function is Program 17. To add elements to an existing list using extend function. You will get the following output. The del function. We use the del function to remove a sublist, start, stop, step, or a whole list of elements. Syntax for using del function is Program 18. To delete elements from the list. You will get the following output. Program 19. To delete the whole list.